Tucked in the heart of northwest London lies one of the city's most vibrant boroughs, Camden, a place where creativity oozes from one corner and cultures collide in a beautiful chaotic rhythm. Known for its alternative fashion, edge street art, and world-famous markets, Camden is a melting pot of flavors, music, and stories waiting to be discovered. Today, I'm taking you through some of the Camden's most iconic and hidden gems. Let's go. The moment I stepped out of the train station, I was hit by the wave movement, people everywhere, street buzzing with life, vendors calling out, and the hectic with energy. It instantly reminded me of the market in Ibadan, that same kind of organized chaos, where the crowd never stops flowing. Camden may be in London, but in that moment, it felt like I was back in the heart of Oyo State. After a day exploring, I found comfort in flavors of a cozy Chinese buffet restaurant. It was affordable, tasty, and endlessly satisfying. The buffet offered a range of dishes from crispy spring rolls to sweet and sour chicken, and bursting with flavor. And the best part, it didn't break the bank.
And it's quite delicious, very, very delicious. You don't believe this whole buffet is for about £15. And you can go as many times as you want. Same as the drinks as well. Incredible.
Next, I discovered Babylon Park, a family-friendly indoor amusement wonderland. From the moment I walked in, I was surrounded by a world of excitement. Kids laughing, family bonding, and adventure in every direction. The place was loaded with top-notch equipment, virtual reality rides that transported you to other worlds, bumper cars that lit up and spun with heavy impacts, claw machines tempting you with colorful prizes, and arcade games that tested both speed and skill. One of the most impressive features was the indoor roller coaster. Yes, you heard that right. Twisting tracks right under the glowing light, giving the feel of an outdoor thrill ride. All inside, the setup were safe, high quality, and super interactive, designed to entertain not just the kids, but adults too. Babylon Park isn't just an amusement center. It's where imagination comes to life. Whether you are competing in games, riding through space, or just soaking in the vibrant vibes. One thing for sure, boredom doesn't exist here.
This is the popular Camden Market in London.
I walked inside an open shop in the heart of Camden, but this wasn't your typical store. It was in fact an art museum in disguise. No doors, no tickets, just raw, unfiltered creativity on full display for anyone who passed by. Every inch of space was alive with expression. The walls spoke through both gravity, abstract pieces, and powerful portraits. Each artwork told a story, some loud and rebellious, other quietly emotional, but all captivating in their own way. It feels like a job and more, like being part of a living gallery, where the art wasn't just on display, it surrounded you, spoke to you, and reminded you that creativity has no boundaries.
Up Jamaica. Showcasing his business, isn't it? Wagwan. You alright?
As I wandered through the open market, I was drawn in the home of creativity. Here, artisans brought raw talent to life, each store telling a story through handcrafted piece, intricate designs, and unique touches of the modern home. This wasn't just shopping, it was soul in every corner. An explosion of color, culture, and creativity, from handcrafted jewelries to vintage trousers, treasures, street food stores to Indian art. The market isn't just a place to shop, it's an experience. Every alleyway tells a story, every store hides a surprise. You could lose hours here and love every second of it.
Oh, this is amazing. It's actually amazing. Can I touch? Welcome to the madhouse. So they call this park the madhouse. I love this as well. This actually looks cute. Just like the city room settings where you can use to set your living room and the light. Hello, you alright? Yeah. I'm showcasing your business to the world. Yeah. I was actually trying to see what it is as well. Looks like bread. It's just like the settings where you put on the center table or stuff. Yeah, it's cute. I love these stuffs, you know.
One of the most fun moments on the trip was stepping back in time, literally at Camden Old Time Photos, tucked between market stalls and buzzing streets. This spot offers a unique kind of time travel through photography. I walked in, and within minutes, I was transported to the roaring 1920s. I got to pick my look, and of course I went full gangster mode. Classic pinstripe suit, fedora hat, tilted just right, and a vintage prop gun to seal the vibe. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I walked straight out of an old school mafia film. The setup was detailed and authentic. Every corner of the studio designed to match the era. From antique furniture, the smoky backdrops, the photo shoot was more than just snapping a picture. It was a living character when it's just a few moments. The best part, walking away with a print that looks like it came straight out of history. Camden Old Time Photos gave me a memory I won't forget, and a photo that's definitely getting framed. Tucked away like a fairy secret, I stumbled upon a magical Hansel and Gretel sweet shop, inspired by the classic Brothers Grimm tale. It's a whimsical world of candy-coated dreams, shelves stacked with colorful treats, nostalgic candies from childhood, and decor that whisks you into a storybook. Once upon a time, a brother and sister Hansel and Gretel ventured too deep into the woods, where they discovered a house made entirely of sweets. But behind the sugar-coated walls was a cunning witch who lured children with threats and trapped them. But thanks to Gretel's great cleverness and courage, they escaped. Here in Camden, though the holy trap is how easy it is to fall in love with a delicious, enchanting spot. In the heart of Camden stands a beautiful tribute to one of its most iconic voices, Amy Winehouse. The bronze statue captures Amy's unique style and spirit, reminding us of the talent that once echoed through the streets of the borough. Camden was Amy's creative playground, and her legacy still lives on there. Camden isn't just a place, it's a vibe, a story, a sensory journey. Whether you are here for the food, the fashion, the music, or the memories, one thing is for sure, Camden will always surprise you. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unforgettable tours. Until next time.